Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Friday, 18th December 2020. It's your maths period and today our topic is worksheet 1. It's page number 164 of countdown. So hurry up, open your countdown books. Students, today we will solve objective worksheet 1. It's page number 164 of countdown. First of all, we will write here classwork and short it. So students, on top of the page write classwork and short date, that is 18th December 2020. Our exercise is choose the correct answer and underline it. A part is what is the value of 7 in the number 780. Students, look at this number, it's 780. Students, we write place value, and as you know we always start from the right side. It is ones, it's tens, and it's 100. So it means 700. It's 700. Place value of 7 is 700. Options are it's 7, B part is 70, C part is 700, D part is 7000. So what is the correct answer? It's 700. Place value of 7 in 780 is 700. So we take it. Next, B part is 600 plus 40 plus 9 is equal to, options are 6409, B part is 640, C part 649, and D part is 6040. The number is 600 plus 40 plus 9. Now we will add it. Look at this. Now we write 40 here and the last one is 9. Students, as you know we always start from the right side, so we write ones and tens. 40 here and it's only ones, it's 9, so we write in the ones place value. Now we will add it. It's 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 9 is 9. So on the ones place it's 9. Now we will solve tens place value. It's 0 plus 4 it's 4, and on the 100 place it's 6. So the answer is 649. So students, which one is correct answer? A part 6409 and 9? No. B part 640? No. It's C part 649. Yes, it's correct. Now C part is what number is 100 more than 663? 100 more than means we will add 100 in 663. The number is 663. 100 more than means we will add 100 in it. Now we will add it. 3 plus 0 it's 3. 6 plus 0 it's 6. 6 plus 1 it's 7. So the answer is 763. Students, now look at the options. It's 863, 763, 963, and 6630. So which one is correct answer? 663 plus 100 is 763. Yes, B option is correct. Now D part is 8 hundreds plus 9 tens is, options are 890, 89, 8090, and 899. Students, look at this. It's 800 plus 9 tens. It's 800 and 9 tens means it's 90. Now we will add it. 800 plus 90 What is answer? 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 9, it's 9. 8 as it is. So the answer is 890. So students, which one is correct answer? It's A part, 890. Now E part is the sum of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number is 1099. It's 999, 1999 and 109. Sum of it means addition of greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. Students, do you know what is greatest 3-digit number? It's 999. Students, after 999 it comes 1000, which is smallest 4-digit number because it is smallest in 4 digits. And the question is the sum of it means we add these numbers. Now we will add it. It's 1000, smallest 4-digit numbers and greatest 3-digit numbers. Now we will add it. Is 0 plus 9, it's 9. 0 plus 9, it's 9. Again 0 plus 9, it's 9. And 1 as it is. So the answer is 1999. So which one is correct answer? Is 1099? No. Is 999? No, it's also false. Is 1999? Yes, it's correct answer. Now F part is which one of the following answers is an odd numbers? It's 16 plus 4, 21 plus 3, 29 plus 4 and 36 plus 2. Students, 16 plus 4 is equal to, it's 20. 21 plus 3 is 24. 29 plus 4 is 33. And 36 plus 2 is 38. Now which one of the following answers is an odd number? Look at this. 20 is an odd number? No, it's an even number. 24, it's also an even number. 33, yes, it is odd number. And 38, it's also even number. So the answer is 33. Add 65 to the product of 5 and 4. Students, what is the meaning of product? It's multiplication. Product means we multiply 5 and 4. It means 5 fours are 20. Students, product of means we multiply 5 and 4. It's 20. 5 fours are 20. Now we will add 65 in it. It's 65 plus 20. 5 plus 0, it's 5. And 6 plus 2, it's 8. So the answer is 85. Students, which one is correct answer? It's 85. So B is correct answer. So students, you will solve objective worksheet 1 of countdown. It's page number 164. It's your classwork. Now students, open your notebooks and maintain your pages, draw margin lines and write homework. Friday, 18 December, 2020. Topic is objective worksheet 1. Also mention page number. It's page number 164. After that, write exercise. Choose the correct answer. What is the value? A part is what is the value of 7 in the number 780? It's 7, 70, 700 and 7000. Yes, tell me what is the answer, students? So what is the answer? It's 700. So correct answer is 700. So students, same like this you will solve B, C and D part on your notebooks. Do in a very neat handwriting and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.